Moisture is usually the culprit when it comes to exterior wood damage like this. Areas that get little or no direct sunlight are particularly vulnerable. The dampness often leads to rotting wood and another nasty nuisance, mildew.
You know, mildew is tough to get rid of. You can't just kill what's on the surface. You have to get down all the way to the roots. Now, it floats around in the air and it attaches itself to any kind of wet surface. And if there's no sunlight, it grows. I've got a magic formula, though, that's going to really kill the mildew. First of all, you start with 3 quarts of warm water, and then you add 1 quart of liquid laundry bleach. And I'm just going to guess at that, but a pretty scientific guess. Next, you want to take any kind of powdered detergent and use just a 1/4 cup of that, put that into your mix. And then, here's the magic ingredient. It's TSP, that stands for trisodium phosphate. You can buy it in the paint store or any paint department. And you're going to use 3/4 of a cup of this stuff. Now, the next thing you're going to do is mix it up. And you can use almost anything to mix it up with. I'm going to use the broom handle here.
The best way to apply this concoction is with a scrub brush. By the way, eye protection and rubber gloves are a must when you're applying this stuff because the contents of our magic formula are caustic. It may take a little elbow grease, but eventually the mildew is going to disappear.